Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some country style farmhouse interior decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Country style farmhouse interior decor combines rustic charm with warmth and functionality. Here's a breakdown of how to achieve this look. Color palette, neutral base. Stick to whites, creams and soft beige tones. Earthy accents add warmth with muted greens, grays and browns. Pops of color. Incorporate pastel shades like light blue, chess green or dusty pink for an accent. Materials. Wood. Opt for reclaimed or distressed wood for furniture, beams and floors. Use natural materials. Opt for reclaimed wood furniture like dining tables, benches and shelving. Incorporate stone or brick elements such as a rustic fireplace or an exposed brick wall. Use cotton, linen or burlap for curtains, cushions and table runners. Embrace vintage finds. Look for antique pieces like old rugs, weathered signs or distressed mirrors at the markets. Use repurposed items like mason jars as vases or old crates as storage. Add farmhouse furniture. Choose slip-covered sofas or oversized armchairs in neutral fabrics. Use leather-back chairs and a large farmhouse-style dining table for a communal feel. Layer cozy textures. Add oven rugs, sunken knit blankets, and soft draws to create warmth. Use layered curtains with sheer and heavier fabrics for depth. Incorporate shiplap and breadboard. Install shiplap walls or breadboard paneling to enhance the rustic vibe. Paint them white or light gray for a clean classic farmhouse look. Choose rustic lighting. Hang barn-style pendant lights over the kitchen island or dining table. Use lantern-style sconces or candelabras with old lantern detailing. Add open shelving. Replace upper kitchen cabinets with open wooden shelves to display dishes, jars, and decor. Use floating shelves to showcase farmhouse collectibles. Decorate with farmhouse accessories. Use oven baskets for storage and display. Add enamel pictures, vintage skulls, or rustic bread boxes as decor. Display dried flowers or fresh greenery in galvanized buckets or mason jars. Focus on functionality. Choose decor that's both practical and beautiful, like a wooden ladder for blanket storage or a large farmhouse sink. Use chalkboards or bakeboards for organizing kitchen tools or to write grocery lists. Highlight natural light. Keep window treatments minimal to let in more natural light. Use mirrors with rustic frames to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Bring the outdoors in. Decorate with fresh greenery such as potted herbs, olive trees, or eucalyptus stems in vases. Add dried flowers like lavender or wheat for a rustic dance. Incorporate natural textures like jute, rattan, or wicker in furniture or baskets. Enhance walls with farmhouse charm. Hang vintage signs, antique clocks, or rustic wooden frames. Add a chalkboard wall or film chalkboard to write recipes or reminders. Upgrade with farmhouse pictures. Use farmhouse sinks, apron front sinks in the kitchen or laundry room. Use industrial pipe brackets for shelving. Install rustic knobs and pulls on cabinetry such as oil-wrapped bronze or antique brass. Incorporate farmhouse flooring. Use white plank wood floors in distressed or natural finish. Consider stone or brick floating in entryways or mudrooms for an authentic touch. Choose timeless patterns. Add gingham, plaid, or ticking stripes to curtains, tablecloths, or bedding. Create rustic storage solutions. Use wooden crates for storing blankets, books, or toys. Repurpose letter shelves for books, towels, or decor items. Thanks for watching the video.